What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. You can see all of our new inventory as we get in every week, and you can watch me and Chris go out and chase classic cars. Please subscribe today. We'll see you then. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. I got this unique 1970 Volkswagen Beetle up for sale today. It's unique because it's got a cool story with it. I will go over the vehicle with you, the history and the condition. We're going to do a full walkthrough, go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before it shows up at your doorstep. Guys, if you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new classic cars in every single week. You can watch me as we go out and chase classic cars, as I go out and buy them. And also, you can watch as we sell them and keep up with the market. 1970 Volkswagen Beetle. This is a Hawaiian edition. You see right here, it says Living the Good Life North Shore. It's got a surfboard up on top. It's got a whole Hawaiian theme to it, which is pretty cool. I bought this from one of my clients. They had it in the US or in the mainland for about 6 years. They bought it out in Hawaii. Story goes with it, it was on Alua, one of the islands there. They used it as a rent-a-car for tourists. It's got 63,000 miles on it. They basically would drive it around the island in a cool Volkswagen. Now they brought it here, had it for about 6 years in the States, in Pennsylvania, and decided to sell it. So we bought it. It's pretty cool. It says life is better at the beach. This is a pretty cool Volkswagen. Let's go ahead and get started on condition. We will start off on the driver's side. We'll start off with the rear quarter back here. So rear quarter, you got a ding right here, as you can see. Paint, I would say, is average shape. It's not a super luster shine, but you can see your reflection in it. I would say paint is probably 6 out of 10. This probably has older paint. It's got some shine on it. You got that flaw there. Wheels, you got these crazy big white walls that go on top. The wheels look good themselves. Tires look brand new, or they feel brand new. They got plenty of life left. You got some dry rot over here in the gasket, starting to crack away. The rubber around the windshield. Same thing here. You can see the rubber. Little scratch here. Looks like a little scratch here, a little bubble. Little scratch right there. On the door, you got a couple little chips. 1, 2, 3, and 2 there. The rest of the door looks good. The car shows very well. So I'm about 3 foot from it, and it looks awesome. It's cute. You got the basket back here. You got the surfboard on top. It's pretty cute. It is nice, I will say that. I love the look of it. Door's got the cool inserts. Let's see how it closes. Closes good. I'm closing it real lightly, and it closes very well. Got a little bit of, looks like water sitting in here. It's not rusted through or anything, but it's starting to change colors. Bottom of the doors look good. The roof looks good. I don't see any flaws there on the roof. Life is beautiful. It's pretty cool. Got the roof rack here. Going to the front of the vehicle, check out the tire. Tire also is brand new. It looks like it's all 4 brand new tires. The rim is in great shape. This fender's in good shape except for a little crack here. This bezel's got a little bit of wear on it. Does not have the bumper on it. Glass appears to be in good shape, no cracks. Let's see what this stamp says on it. It looks like laminated safety float. I'm not sure if this is a reproduction, it may be. It is American, it's not in German, so it probably is a reproduction. I don't see any flaws on the trunk, if we want to call it that. We'll have to unlock it. Little chip here. See if we can unlock it real quick. Got a cool basket in there, a spare tire. Got a little rust starting here. See if we can push this. I'll push on it real hard. See if, I'm pushing hard and it was just a little surface here. I'm pushing really hard on it and it's not rotted through or breaking. Just the paint over here, which is good. You got your gas tank here. It looks like a newer tank. Nice in here. It looks like you got your jack here too. Spare tire. Little spot here. Again, all solid. This bezel, a little bit of wear. Again, a very solid looker, guys. I wouldn't be disappointed to drive this anywhere. Take it to shows and drive around to Volkswagen meets. It's pretty cool. Tire again, perfect shape. Wheel, this wheel has a little curb on it right there and here. The other wheels did not. This fender's in good shape. Now this, for some reason, this trim is fine. The trim in the front is okay. It's not as bad as the back. A little bit there. Glass is all intact. A little scratch there. I see a little ding, small, probably half the size of a penny. Little chip there. Going to the passenger side quarter. Little chip there. That lens looks a little old. Yeah, this rear quarter looks good. They usually rot out real bad here. I don't see any rot or anything like that. I just see an older restoration. This was probably done years ago. I see a little pitting here and even on the exhaust tips, some pitting. Maybe a Brillo pad would take that right out. Go ahead and take a look underneath. Underneath seems to be clean. Little spot there, but looks pretty solid. Looks like it's just starting. And the rest of it looks beautiful. So it's got one little spot here just starting. little underspray I think would make that go right away. Brillo pad or a wire brush. And some undercarriage spray. And it's extremely clean. A lot of them you see are rotted out and in bad shape. Not bad at all. Another spot they like to rot out is here, usually. And that all looks solid. Beautiful red seats. Headliner's not bad. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. The back you can see over there in that corner. Got a cut there. The rest of it looks decent. You got these inserts here. Got your VIN number up here. Inserts there. Carpet looks good. Back seat looks good. Dash looks good. Let's fire it up. Just a little 1600 cc. Windshield wipers working. Lights are working. Got one tail light working, this one's out. Left turn signal's working. I'm assuming the right turn signal's not gonna work because the bulb is out. Yeah, so this bulb's gonna have to be replaced. But up for sale now, guys, BobEvansClassics.com, or you can give us a call, 215-801-9493. Appreciate you checking us out. Talk to you later. $67,8721.